Hi, welcome back. I have been inspired by Rainbow Acrylics by Claire to create a tropical ocean sunset painting. To get started, I lined up 9 craft paint acrylic colors and mixing cups. I selected 3 colors for the sea, 3 colors for the bright sunset sky, and then 3 colors for the evening sunset sky. I will list all colors I am using in the description box below. Let me know what you think about this project by clicking the thumbs up button and letting me know what your thoughts are in the comment box below. I like to start all of my paintings by covering the sides and edges with paint. I do this so that I can be sure these areas have been covered with paint and I don't have to worry about the integrity of my design while fidgeting with the sides and edges. I pour paint along the edge of my canvas and then using my gloved hand, I spread it around. Grabbing a cup, I flip the cup as quickly as possible to minimize paint spilling out of the cup. This is not as easy as it looks. It has taken me a lot of practice over the years to be able to do it as well as I can now. My first few attempts were a complete disaster and I got paint everywhere. If you are uncomfortable flipping the cups like I am right now, then I recommend a piece of chipboard or cereal box to put on top of your cup. You can then flip the cup on top of the board and then slide the board out when the cup is near the canvas. As you can see, some paint is spilling out of the cups and that is okay. Once I get the cups lined up, I will grab the cups one at a time and drag it across my canvas. This is super fun. Now it is time to tilt the canvas. I went to one side and lifted the canvas so that the paint moved until it touched the side. Then I'll walk to the other side of my table and tilt back the other direction. I am being very careful to only lift the long sides of the canvas because since I am trying to make a landscape, I need the colors to stay as horizontal as possible. I will let this painting dry for several days before I added the palm tree silhouette. I roughly sketched the palm tree on top of my dried painting with a Sharpie, and then I got out my paintbrushes and filled it in. Let me know what you think about this project in the comment box below. Thank you for creating this project with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!